All right. So here's the thing, and this all goes back to my personal beliefs, but my personal beliefs based on selling over 7,000 homes and over 4,500 of those 7,000 being listings. And it goes back to me, my career that spanned, really in the game 25 some years. I'm still actively licensed, but I'm not active at all. Right. I started in 1987. So, that's 32 years that I've been following at least the real estate game full time. But it all comes from that. Okay, Mike. So, and it also comes from my podcast. I've interviewed 780 real estate agents up to this point on Real Estate Rockstars, and I'm getting information from them on a weekly basis as to what they're doing successfully, what's working, and quite frankly, what's most profitable. So the first thing I would do is